Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase our programming skills with Coursera. Complete guide step. To enhance your programming skills with Coursera, follow this complete guide. Begin by creating your Coursera account if you haven't already. Visit the Coursera website and click on the Join for Free button. Fill in the required information to set up your account. Once logged in, use the search bar to find our programming courses. Enter keywords like R programming or data science with our 4 relevant results. Review the course descriptions to find one that matches your skill level and goals. Look for courses from reputable institutions or instructors. Check the course ratings and student reviews to assess quality. Enroll in your chosen course by clicking the Enroll button. Take note of any prerequisites listed in the course description. Start with the introductory modules to grasp the basics of our programming. Follow along with the video lectures while actively engaging with the content. Use the recommended reading materials and external resources for deeper insights. Practice coding exercises provided in the course to reinforce your learning. Participate in discussion forums to connect with fellow learners. Ask questions and share insights to enhance your understanding. Schedule regular study times to maintain a consistent learning pace. Utilize Coursera's mobile app for learning on the go if needed. Complete quizzes and assignments to test your knowledge as you progress. If a topic is challenging, don't hesitate to revisit previous modules. After finishing the course, download your certificate of completion. Consider enrolling in advanced courses to build on your foundational knowledge. Explore specializations that include multiple courses for more comprehensive training. Join our programming communities to network and gather additional resources. Regularly practice coding to cement your skills outside of the course environment. Apply your newfound knowledge to real-world projects or datasets. Keep a learning journal to track your progress and insights gained. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.